Hey guys, welcome to Long Hips. Today I'll be showing you how to hide your followers on your Facebook. And now let's dive right in. Now to hide your followers on your Facebook account, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to hide your followers. And after opening your Facebook, guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the menu icon or the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that. And over here, guys, at the top right corner of the screen of your menu of your account on the menu, tap on the settings icon. And over here, guys, scroll down until you can find the followers and the public content option available just above the profile and tagging. Tap on followers and public content. And over here, guys, you can see it says who can see your followers on your timeline. If you want to hide it to just yourself, or tap on only me. And if you want to hide it just to your friends, tap on the friends. Or if you want to hide it from everybody, let's tap on only me. And after that, you can see your settings have been updated, and this means, guys, your followers have been hidden on Facebook. And then, guys, this is how you hide your followers on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.